the egg in the key. The egg finds a key. He wonders what the key opens. He tries to open the door with the key. The key does not open the door. He tries to open the box with the key. The key does not open the box.
Yes.
The key does not open the key does not open the door.
And next.
This one?
No.
The key does not open the box. He tries to open the chest with the key. The key opens the chest. His friends are in the chest. The egg is happy to see his friends.